recorded. Gosh, I recorded. Hello guys, welcome a video. Kristian, Krazy Klubhouse.
Hey! But we change the name. We change the name.
Need to put the battery in there. It sorted the video. Okay? Okay, gosh.
You don't know what you want to know the new name?
Mm-hmm.
KC Family TV.
Okay. CDT. Yay.
Alright, let me put it. I got the batteries.
Okay, good. Good gosh. Good gosh. Good girl.
You got-
gosh.
Excuse me. You going to do a video by yourself? Or you want me to play with you?
I want you to play with me.
I'm going to take a nap. Oh! I see. Okay, so put them in back. And don't cheat. Make sure you don't cheat.
Boy. Hey.
Hold on. Make it spin us. Hold on. Alright.
It's
You
much
said when you
fun.
throw it here, so what's this? It look like...
I'm gonna.
Yeah, but you were eating. Look like lip gloss.
Easy.
It's easy.
Yes. I like which one?
Ah.
Easy.
You're playing without me?
Yes.
Zika's butt is in the way.
It's fishing. Gosh.
Hmm?
It's fishing. No way. It's fishing. Gosh,
Alright, let me
it's
pass.
fishing.
You should only catch yellow, green fish. Uh-oh. Oh, what? Sit.
I'm gonna make him bite me.
You're gonna break it. Kristian.
Bite me. Ow. Fish.
I'm gonna win.
No.
Oh my, this is hard.
She got you.
This is hard. I got one.
That's me, my greener. Wait, that's me, my greener.
I got one.
I got the orange one. You see? Nice.
I got two. I'm going to catch up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I got you one.
Oh. I can't see it. Hey.
I got you one.
Oh yeah, get your butt out of the room.
I got you one. I
Oh
won.
man.
Hooray! I win. I'm gonna get the orange one. That's me, my orange one. That one's stuck.
Sit down. What? You're cheating.
Don't catch me, my orange one. I got your orange one. Oh! I got you on away.
These ones are hard.
That's not hard.
It's hard. It's hard.
It's so easy.
Oh man. You won.
I'm going to get it. Good job. Get us. Fine. Fine. Get win.
Hey, how many did you get? Turn it off. How many? How many did you get? I got 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
6.
I got all them.
No, even though you won, you still need to count. Let's count them. 1, count with me. 1,
1,
2, count the fishes.
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6,
7. You got 7. You won.
Wait.
Okay, let's put them back.
Let's put them back. It's easy.
It's hard.
It's not hard. It's easy. I'm so happy.
You're happy?
Yes.
Okay, give me this.
Mm.
Ew.
Let's
Zombie
see.
kisses. Turn it on.
Let's use our fingers.
No,
She bites me. Then one bite.
I'm gonna catch green one this time.
No, that's
It bit you.
take it out.
No.
You want to eat me? You want to eat me? That's mine. Yeah, you want yours. That's too hard.
Why are you trying to catch the yellow ones? The yellow ones are mine. Mine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here I come. That green one is mine. Take the yellow one. Come here. Open the mouth, fish. Green. I got him.
Oh, I just got it. You have to wait until they close their mouth. Look, you see?
Open it.
You have to wait until they close their mouth. Look, let me show you. You put it in when it opens. Put it in when it opens and leave it there. Let them close it. When they close it, you lift it out. You see?
I caught him.
Alright, Kristian is catching fishes with his fingers.
Caught him.
And you're cheating. Cheater.
See one here. She gonna bite it. Let me get the orange one. Get out the closing mouth. That's me. That's.
Oh, I won.
No, here's not one.
I won. You only have 4. And I have.
I got you one.
I got 7. You got 5. I got 7. You only got 5. 5.
That's the owl, guys. And put them in. That's done. That's done. Hey,
Let's mix them up.
let's mix them up.
You want to exchange?
Yeah.
Where's all the...
Eat me, eat me, eat me, eat me, eat me, all them. Then
Let's
eat
put
me.
them on people. I'm catching your green one.
No, mine. I touch all them. I'm going to touch all them. Give me.
You're cheating.
I got them.
You're a cheater.
I got them. I get you.
As always, Kristian is a cheater. I'm going to take them out.
Here you go. It's here.
This thing is putting me to sleep. I'm going to take them out. I'm sleepy.
That's so creepy.
Ow!
Sorry.
I'm going to take them out. your lullaby for me today.
You're too heavy.
What?
You're too heavy.
Me?
Yes.
I'm too heavy.
Yes.
I'm sleepy.
What is it?
I should go to bed.
Yep.
You gonna end your video?
Yes.
Tell them bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Like, so please,
Press the icon button.
and like, subscribe, and share. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.